All right, let's make classic Falooda right at home, step by step. This is a super refreshing dessert, perfect for hot days, and honestly, so fun to assemble. So if you love chilled, layered desserts, get ready. This one's for you. First, let me tell you what you'll need. Falooda Dessert, chilled milk, rose syrup, basil seeds or sabja seeds, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, some chopped nuts, and if you want, a few jelly cubes. You can get most of these ingredients easily at your local market or online. Let's start with the basil seeds. Take about 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds, rinse them well, and soak them in a glass of water. They'll puff up and become jelly-like in about 15 minutes. This step is essential. These seeds are what give Falooda that signature texture. While the seeds are soaking, let's prepare the Falooda Sev. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add your Falooda Sev. If you don't have Falooda Sev, thin rice noodles work too. Boil for a few minutes until soft, then drain and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking. Set these aside. Now, let's get the milk ready. I like to use chilled full-fat milk for a creamy taste. Pour about a cup per serving into a jug and add a few tablespoons of sugar. Stir until it dissolves, then pop it back in the fridge. Let's move on to the best part, assembling. Grab a tall glass. Start with a generous drizzle of rose syrup at the bottom. Next, add a spoonful of the soaked basil seeds. Layer in a handful of the Falooda Sev. If you like jelly, add a few cubes now for color and texture. Now, slowly pour in the chilled milk until the glass is about 3/4 full. Give it a gentle stir to swirl the layers just a bit. To finish, add a big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Sprinkle over some chopped pistachios, whatever you like. Sprinkle over some chopped almonds, whatever you like. For a real street-style touch, drizzle a little more rose syrup right on top. And there you go, homemade Falooda ready to enjoy. Each spoonful has chewy sev, fragrant rose milk, crunchy nuts, and creamy ice cream. It's so satisfying, especially after a spicy meal or just as a summer treat. If you loved this step-by-step recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy, delicious desserts. Let me know in the comments how your Falooda turned out and what twist you added. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cool homemade Falooda.